Type 1 problems based on clocks. Problems based on clocks. I will go as per the types so that it will be very clear. Is it clear, sir? Is it offline? Is it clear? Is it offline? Is it offline? Shall we start the class? Kindly reply, sir. Is it offline? Is it offline? Shall I start the class? Right. Problems based on clocks. Listen carefully. A clock is in the form of a circular shape. Total angles in a clock is 360 degrees. 12 hours is 360 degrees. 1 hour is nothing but 30 degrees. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 30 degrees. And 1 minute is half degree. Please write down this. A clock is in the form of a circular shape. Total angle in a clock is 360 degrees. Total there are 12 hours. 12 hours will correspond to 360 degrees. 1 hour will correspond to 30 degrees. 1 hour 30 degrees means in 1 hour angular displacement will be 30 degrees. 12 hours 360 degrees, 1 hour 30 degrees. In 1 hour, our hand will go 30 degrees. In 1 minute, our hand will go half degree. In 1 minute, our hand will go half degree. Please write down that point. In 1 hour, our hand will go. Our hand will cover 30 degrees. Our hand will cover 30 degrees. And minute hand will cover half degree. In 1 hour, our hand will cover 30 degrees and minute's hand will cover half degree. Our hand in 1 minute, sir, in 1 minute, our hand will cover 30 degrees and half degree in 1 minute. This is the concept. If you know this concept, you can easily solve. Only we will take our hand remaining. Anjani, please listen carefully, then I'll come back to trains in the last class, sir. This take 2 hours better. If I start taking trains, something will be pending in class. It will disturb the class flow, right? It will disturb the class flow. In 1 hour, our hand will cover 30 degrees. Minute's hand in 1 minute, it will cover half degree. Right. Side heading. Please write down. Side heading. Write down. Time period. Time period and clocks. Time period and angle. Time period and angle. Time period and angle. Time period and angle. Entire the circular tracks and races at one shot will complete. Time period and angle. Question. Find the angle between the two hands of a clock. Find the angle between the two hands of a clock. Find the angle between the two hands of a clock for the following timings. For the following timings. Find the angle between the two hands of a clock for the following timings. Listen carefully. Right, find the angle between the two hands of a clock for the following timings. If I start taking trains, you will miss the classroom flow, right, of circular tracks and clocks. Circular tracks is a little difficult beta. That's the reason, right? You don't need to say twice, 3 times. Answer is no, Guruva Reddy. If you are interested, listen. Otherwise, you can make a move. Find the angle between the two hands of a clock for the following time periods. Right. Now see here. If it is 3:40 p.m. 3:40 p.m. Listen carefully, beta. Step number 1. No formula is required. 3:40 is, it is a clock Hour hand is at 3 o'clock and minutes hand is at 8 o'clock. Minutes hand is at 8 o'clock. Hour hand is at 3 and minutes hand is at 8. Total 5 hours difference is there. Right? Total 5 hours difference is there. 12 hours it is 360 degrees. 12 hours it is 360. 1 hour it is 30 degrees. Totally 5 hours. 5 hours means it is 150 degrees. Total it is 150 degrees. When the minute hand reaches 8, our hand will tilt for 40 minutes. Our hand will tilt for 40 minutes. In 1 minute, already we discussed, 60 minutes is 30 degrees. 1 minute it is half degree. In 1 minute it will go half degree. For 40 minutes it is out of 150 to 20 tilted. Answer is 130 degrees. Answer is 130 degrees.